The Sketchup camera clipping bug is usually caused by hidden elements in a Sketchup file that are a huge distance away from the main model. To fix the bug, we will find and delete these elements from the model. Firstly, open the Sketchup tags tray and turn on all the tags. Secondly, open the Sketchup outliner tray. This shows everything, all the elements that are in your model. Click Expand All from the drop-down. And then we need to scroll through and unhide any elements that are hidden. Now with everything unhidden, let's zoom extent of the model. Select all. And we can see now there's something far away from the apartment model, making this group very large. So let's edit this group. And it's this living room layout 1 group that's so far away. I'll delete it and close the group. Now let's zoom extent again. There's now no elements far away from our apartment's model. Now let's purge the model of any excess information with Window, Model, Info, Purge, Unused. Then save the Sketchup model. And now we fixed the camera clipping bug. Usually this will fix almost all cases of the clipping bug in Sketchup. If this was useful, please do give a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.